Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today I'm gonna show you how to open TrustWallet on your desktop. Input trustwallet.com and this is official website, and here choose download extension. Then choose your browser. For me it's Chrome, and click. Then click add to Chrome, add extension, and wait. Now it's downloaded and we can start. Click here and choose import or cover wallet. Input your password, not seed phrase. Confirm new password. Click here and next. Input your seed phrase. Here we are, next, and wait. Share data, open wallet, get it, and okay. So now wait until your wallet will be updated, and here you can rename your wallet. For example, my first name and last name. Okay, here we are. So you can now refresh, wait until it all will be here, and here we are. Thank you for watching. So you can also change color mode, and here we are. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.